Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SendGrid for transactional email deliverability, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize SendGrid for transactional email deliverability, begin by logging into your SendGrid account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings menu on the left sidebar. Click on Sender Authentication from the drop-down list. On the Sender Authentication page, you will see two main options, Domain Authentication and Single Sender. Select Domain Authentication for enhanced deliverability. Next, click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your domain name. Enter the domain you wish to authenticate and select the appropriate options based on your needs. Choose whether to use subdomain authentication or root domain authentication. If you opt for subdomain authentication, provide a subdomain like emails or mail. Click Next to proceed. SendGrid will now provide you with DNS records that you need to add to your domain's DNS settings. Open a new tab and log into your domain registrar account. Navigate to the DNS management section. Add the provided DNS records one by one, ensuring that the record types are correctly selected. After adding the records, return to the SendGrid interface. Once you have completed the DNS configuration, click Verify to confirm. This may take a few minutes as DNS updates can require some time. If the verification is successful, you will see a confirmation message. In case of failed verification, double-check the DNS entries for any mistakes. Once confirmed, you can now set up DKIM and SPF records for additional email authentication. DKIM will allow you to sign your emails, while SPF validates that SendGrid is authorized to send emails on your behalf. Return to the DNS management section of your domain registrar to add the DKIM and SPF records provided by SendGrid. After adding these records, again proceed to SendGrid and verify both DKIM and SPF settings. Once everything is verified, your domain will be fully authorized for sending transactional emails. Now you can start using SendGrid for your transactional email needs with improved deliverability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.